name is Happy Black Legends and welcome to another Vlogoween video. Ew. So today I decided to film a what to do with pumpkin filling seeds video just to show people the different things you can do with them. So first off, I'm carving a second pumpkin that I had left over from my pumpkin carving live. I'm just trying to get the top off, and as you can see I am struggling because your girl has absolutely no iron. Yes. For some ungodly reason, I decided to give you guys, like, literally the crustiest, nastiest, dankiest angles. Like, sis, what was I doing right here? This is, who wants to look at this? Disgusting. Absolutely nasty, love. Right here, I am just trying to get the seeds out of this pumpkin and into my mouth, you feel me? And this was really hard. This pumpkin was a lot bigger than the one I carved previously, and to get all the guts and whatnot, it just took like so much longer. Also, I was not vibing with the smells emitting from this dude. I literally just got so freaking tired of using the spoon, so I just decided to dip my hands into this boy, which was a huge mistake. Sensory overload. It was absolutely disgusting, and I really do regret doing that. I kept smelling the pumpkin because I don't know, like, I've cooked with fresh pumpkin before, and I actually do buy like canned pumpkin filling sometimes around the year because I like to put it in smoothies. It's really good in oatmeal. I like to make pumpkin soup. But the smell from this pumpkin, I don't know if it was because it was fresh, it was just making me feel uncomfortable, and I just didn't want to eat this pumpkin filling. So I knew immediately, like the moment I opened this up, I knew that I wasn't going to use the pumpkin filling. I also just didn't feel like going out and buying like ingredients to go make something.
Ew.
As you can see, I have finally, like to my best abilities, carved out this damn pumpkin. I think this would be really, the bowl would be really cool to use for like soup. I also saw some people on Pinterest using it as like a planter. And yeah, and so now I have the seeds and the filling, and then I carved a face into my pumpkin. I didn't film me doing that because it was very challenging. So once you separate all of the seeds from the filling, you want to boil them for about 5 minutes. I boiled them for a little bit longer, and as you can see, there's like still some filling up in that water. Then you're going to want to strain it out, and then I put all the seeds in my air fryer. So here they are, and I decided to use like salt, pumpkin, spice. What else did I use? I think I used cinnamon, and that was it. But you can season them however. Like the recipe that I saw online was definitely intended for a more savory flavor, but I wanted something a little bit more sweet, something I can put my oatmeal, something sweet to snack on. And so that's why I use the seasonings that I use. So I already figured out what to do with the seeds, put them in my mouth, but now I tried to figure out what to do with the filling, and I read online that apparently pumpkin filling is really good for your skin, and it has all sorts of benefits. I'll try to find like a screenshot and put them up on the screen so y'all can read for yourself so I don't misspeak. But yeah, so first I tried to like rub it on, and that didn't work, and then I was like, okay, a bitch is just gonna stick it all in her face. Literally so gross, slimy, cold. It was just a very like uncomfortable time. I tried my best, I tried my hardest. I really wanted to find a good use for the pumpkin filling because I didn't want to just throw it out, you know what I mean? Like, but then something started to happen.
My whole face is burning.
My like entire face started to burn. It wasn't like painful burning, it was more like soap, like exfoliant burning, which I think that meant it was doing something. I don't know. As I'm recording this voiceover, it's the next day. My face feels smooth smooth, I guess. I don't think the pumpkin really did much. Maybe if you stick with it and you just happen to live on a pumpkin farm, a pumpkin patch, and you have like a fuck ton of pumpkins at your disposal and you want some, you know, all natural skincare, do it. But I mean, I took it off and like I'm probably gonna end up throwing out all the rest of the filling.
Well, that was a huge fucking flop, in my opinion. Skincare baddie. My face doesn't really feel soft. It just feels kind of, I don't know what she feels like. Honestly, I kind of want to put some lotion on my face just because. But yeah, this is what I use on my face because I have fungal acne, which is like, I guess, a rise in yeast. I don't know how to explain it, but I have like these little dots all over my face, which is like basically fungal acne. And then I just use this. So these are the only products I have now. And then the next thing I want to add is I want to add a facial cleanser. And then I think I'm going to take a break. I have eczema and I am a broke ass bitch. So, you know, I read a lot that it's better to introduce stuff slowly to your skin if you have sensitive skin, so that if something goes wrong, you know, like, it was this, because, you know, rather than just like trying to introduce a whole like routine right away, like that's not wise. That's what I read. But also I'm a broke ass bitch, and this stuff was like, I think this was like 20 something dollars or like 14. It was like up there, and I was very stressed about this purchase. I have a hard time like buying stuff that like I can't justify. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it felt frivolous to buy this and spend money on it. Oh, my pumpkin seeds, like if they're not already done, they should be done like in the next minute or so. I am so excited. I haven't had pumpkin seeds, like homemade pumpkin seeds, in years. I tried to be like an ethical, you know, sustainable, plant-based queen, but I failed. I'm sorry. It's going in the trash. I'll try to Google, like maybe I could put this in the ground for like soil. Like I'm no garden hoe. I don't know. I'll Google something, and if I can't find something to do with it by tomorrow, it's going to be dumped.
So I want to introduce y'all to my sons. I think I named the one on the right Wilbert. I named that during the pumpkin live stream. The left guy, maybe I'll just name him Lefty. I'm down for that. I decided to make some like pumpkin spice hot chocolate to go with my pumpkin seeds. Yeah, but this shit was literally so fucking good. I actually couldn't believe it. So yes, I just was eating the seeds. I googled it. I googled it. You can eat the seeds. They're high in fiber. There's nothing wrong with it. So don't judge me. They were really good. I didn't want to spit them out. They were like that good. Like I just kept chewing. And I was like, I googled like, is it toxic? It's not toxic. It's just high in fiber. It's gonna make you poo poo, and that is it. All these bitches is my sons. That's all I could think of when I see these two little boys, Lefty and Wilbert. Those are their names. Oof, that is so hot. Oh my god. But anyways, y'all, thank you guys so much for joining me on another Vlogoween. We carved a pumpkin. We air fried some seeds. I think we had fun. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogoween thus far. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.